Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the weather widget on Android home screen. Okay, first of all, you can open your Android home screen, then you can tap and hold on any empty area of your home screen. Then the screen will look like this, and you're going to tap on widgets. Then just slide your screen until you find the widget weather widget, this one. Tap on the weather, then just select the type of the weather you would like to display on your Android home screen, and I'm gonna go with this one, so we can just click on add. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Alright, and here we can select location, and I'm just going to select this one. And when you move to other place, the location will change. It depends on your current location. Okay, and I'm going to click on it. Alright, and now the weather widget has been added to my Android home screen, and I'm going to move it. We can tap and hold on the weather widget, then just drag it to the part of the home screen you want to place this widget to. Okay. And I guess that's how we can set the weather widget on Android home screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.